Doug Thompson, and here's just a fun little project. I'm going to make some D-rings out of 1/8 inch cold rolled material, and I'm going to wrap it around a piece of 1/2 by 2 tubing. It'll be kind of a sacrificial mandrel. We'll go ahead and heat it up with the torch and just wrap it around a couple of times to make the 3 of them. Where you heat it is pretty important. And I'm going to try to come right underneath that so I'm not too far out of flame. That's tightly bound on there, so I should be able to do this. So I'm heating a little bit behind the curve. So we'll get a tight grip to it. Again, I'm heating behind the curve a little tiny bit. I've got to let that cool a little bit. One. I'm just going to take our little wrench and just move each to the other.